Established in 2010, we are a professional enterprise, specializing in the research, development, and production of innovative smart kitchen appliances. While we offer a diverse range of products, our absolute core focus and manufacturing expertise lie in high-quality electric lunchboxes, cooking lunchboxes, and portable food heaters. Advanced manufacturing and strong capacity. Located in Amatern 6,000 square meter facility, our factory is powered by a dedicated team of over 50 skilled employees to ensure efficient production and consistent product quality. Our workshop is fully equipped with 11 advanced injection molding machines and over 30 sets of professional testing equipment. This robust infrastructure enables us to achieve an impressive annual output capacity of more than 3 million units, ensuring we can easily meet the demands of high-volume orders with fast and reliable delivery times, uncompromising quality, and global certifications. Quality is the cornerstone of our business. We operate strictly under the ISO 9001 quality management system. Our quality requirements aim for absolute excellence. Every single process, from raw material sourcing and assembly to final shipment, is carefully inspected and tested by our QC team to support our clients' smooth entry into global markets. Our products hold comprehensive international